The SEHMUA 2K solar cameras offer an eco-friendly solution with their solar-powered design, providing continuous security without the need for frequent battery changes. These cameras deliver impressive clarity with 2K resolution, ensuring that every detail is captured, even in low-light conditions, thanks to their color night vision capabilities. With the ability to pan and tilt, these cameras provide a comprehensive 360-degree view, allowing you to monitor every corner of your property effortlessly. Installation is straightforward and quick, taking only a few minutes, and the cameras are compatible with 2.4 GHz wireless Wi-Fi for seamless connectivity. Equipped with a sensitive PIR motion sensor, the cameras reduce false alarms and provide instant notifications, while the two-way audio feature allows for real-time communication. The cameras are rugged and durable, featuring an IP65 rated waterproof design, and offer flexible storage options with support for a memory card and optional cloud storage.